school, there is a gap between my teeth. So my father noticed. So I go to the dentist and I come to know that there is bone loss. There is severe bone loss in my lower jaw, mainly the lower jaw. And then I changing the doctors and all for second opinion on. Then I come to my school and the 3 teeth. And I had faced with some kind of GIT problem also, like in the 12th standard. I really remember for 2 years I am having this problem that after eating I have to go flush. After eating I have to go flush. And I would, the eating is not like in a little amount. Always I am hungry. Even now also I feel I sometimes feel bad for that. Why I mean, no satiety feeling is there.
Everywhere, if you see one commonality that is coming up, that commonality is that she is trying to prove something. What she is trying to prove is her function. That is what she is trying to do. And when you are doing the opposite polarity, your sensation is that put down. How does that go to the end? Are you getting? So I will have certain thing that I sense, and exactly opposite my motor function will try to do. You can ask me. Once you get the meaning, don't again ask me. Then it comes from logic. Are you getting? Once you ask the meaning and he has given the answer to that, then again don't ask meaning. It makes no sense. He will definitely give you the possibility once you ask the meaning. And in that possibility, the thing has from meaning should change to like. He will give you probable likes. The next P. Right? In that probable like, just put the word so. So then this will happen. Solution to that likes, what will be there? Right? So, further so. So, there will be big name. Then what? That's the position that you want. What sort of? So, you will specify the position. Position like, you have a respect with the family, respect with the society. Which one is more important? Family or society? That's no need to ask. Society. By that, what will you get? What will be the achievement of any person? I'll go to grand generalization. For any person, what will be that respect like? It will be like, you are a great person. You have proved it. You have done it. Wow. First, wow. Encourage that. Boost that. What is the desire? When you boost the desire, then ask. For someone, if it is not there, what will happen? Immediately that person will be ready to answer. Because what has happened? Tumhara wah ho chuka hai. That person has told you wow. Are you getting? So I am already now wow. He has told me wow. So what will happen with that? I get the wings. So someone who doesn't have this, I'm ready to tell now. Because it is not about me. Are you getting this? This is the ball game. Only thing is that the one who is good in conversation, good in keeping the focus center and moving the questions around, they can get it. Don't be stringent. Answering yes and no, okay, fine. Right. You have to be good observer. That's what Hadiman says, no? Good observer, good listener. So then only you know where it is going.
Experience is nice. Always being a doctor, he has to sit in front, and now a patient actually I need. So it was very good, and even that there I learned, as Sir said now, there is conscious level. Literally I come to know where I can go ahead. I understand this thing. I know then there is some areas where I'm going somewhere into that delusion. I'm going there, but due to some my will or some wrong there is not interrupting. I'm telling them I'm going with the flow. Please, please stop me. But there is no stoppage. So I come to know that what to do with the patient if patient will be like me. So it was a very good experience for me also. It's a great learning. Even I am feeling more than you all. I learned a lot. Thank you.
It's a very good exercise. Once you be as a patient, you realize how much the patient goes through when you are sitting in the clinic. Right? It gives a very good exercise. This has really now picked up so much that people, of all age and this thing, all experience, we all want to learn how the process is.